TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we've got all the indices. Well, we've got a mixed bag out here, actually. We've got the NDX 100 up 7 points, 8 points. Transports are up 11. NASDAQ Composite up is up 2 points. Otherwise, all the other indices trading lower. Nothing significant. The semis are down the largest from a percentage standpoint at 0.7%, 18 points. The Dow's off 134. The S&P is 9. You've got gold trading out at $18.85. That's off $2. Silver is down 17 cents. She's trading out at $24.63. Light sweet crude is trading out at $41.04. So as we take a look at these markets out here, what is it that we can figure out that they are communicating to you and I? Well, here's the interesting thing, and we don't have any real clear signals. Here's what I mean by that. If I take the chart of the SPY as an example, so when I say clear signals, and you'll know what I mean in just a moment, if we take a look at yesterday's activity, we can see that the high from last Monday is still the spike high inside of the S&P, inside of the SPYs. Yesterday, it does have a TD9 count pattern, but doesn't have the valid pattern to identify a top for us, as yesterday's high, or the high of the TD9 count, did not exceed bar number 5 out there. Now, that's for the weighted version of the S&P 500. But when we go take a look at the, that's the weighted version. If we take a look at the equal weighted version, that would be the RSP, that would be the ETF for the S&P 500, yesterday did make a higher high. So we do have a confirmed TD9 count top inside the equal weighted ETF. Now, the equal weighted ETF typically points the real direction for what the real intention of the market is. If, for example, the RSP were to close above yesterday's high for it is 122.61, that would tell us about a significant momentum move for the daily time frame inside of the RSP. If I was going to give you a price objective for it, so we want to watch for that, because there's a valid, remember, the RSP, or the equal weighted, typically generates the more important message for us. So here's an A to B equals CD to the upside. If in fact we get a move or close above yesterday's high, 124 to 129 would be its target. But we don't have that clear signal, and it could be a top. Steve Rhodes with TFNN. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. But if you're off to start your Tuesday, have a terrific one, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.